Henry. A toaster oven. Seriously. Only heated up for certain things. Like Pop-Tarts. And Lana. Come on, Henry, blared. Classic. Sarah liked him. He knew. But Henry was cold. Like day-old toast. Sarah sighed. He's like dial-up, she told her friend. So slow. Then Brenda. The microwave. Fast, hot, dramatic. Henry. He. Melted egg. Sarah watched, bewildered. Lana still blasting, she noted. Brenda dumped him. Too much heat. Henry crawled back. Toast time again. Sarah just laughed. Lana understood though. Some hearts? Best served warm, not nuclear. And Lana's always relevant.